My name is Pramod Kala and I am from Gudu. Now I am pursuing my BTech course in Asankara College of Engineering and Technology under the stream of ECE. Even though I am from ECE, I stepped into a software industry. This is because of the encouragement given by my HOD and our faculty members. Apart from our curriculum, our college management provided us a training program, and through this training program we were well stuffed with different computer programming languages. And this gave us an interest towards the software industry. And this also helped us to get a job in our campus placement. Our college always encourages us to participate in the different activities, which helped me to become an extrovert and improve my qualities of leadership. Finally, I would like to thank our college management and our HOD and other faculty members who were there in our hardship and helped us to pass through it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Geeta and I am from Anantapur. I am a CSE student from Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. It is an autonomous college which is affiliated to JNTU, Anantapuram and approved by AICTE. The infrastructure of my college is too good so that every student can enhance their practical knowledge through laboratories and theoretical knowledge through library. In the same way, my college also contains many clubs like Toastmasters Club, IEEE student branch, which help the students to improve their communication skills. In the same way, my college management also implemented many training sessions for verbal ability, quantitative aptitude and technical to clear all the assessments and recruitment process for various MNCs like TCS, Wipro, DXC and so on. Recently, I got selected for a reputed organization called DXC with the support and help of my college management. Coming to my family background, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. They sacrificed many things to see me at higher positions. I am very thankful for my parents and to the college management which helped me and support me to bring the success in my life. Thank you very much for one and all.
Hi everyone, I am Bhuna Vaishnavi, studying BTech final year in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. I joined Adi Shankara in the year 2017 with an enthusiastic feeling to learn new things and to enhance my knowledge, which helps me to give a kick start to my career. Today I like to share my views how Adi Shankara helped me to get placed in a renowned company like DXC. From the third semester onwards, our management have been giving placement training on aptitude, programming and verbal. This training helped me to crack the written test of DXC and also gave me the confidence to take the different tests. During the time of the interview, besides our technical knowledge, our communication skills also plays a key role. Our soft skills professor taught us how to express our thoughts meaningfully and how to speak fearlessly. And she also conducted different activities such as group discussion, jam, case studies and so on. These activities helped me to take the interview fearlessly. Finally, I like to thank the management and staff who put their effort in bringing the renowned companies to the college for the placements, and also like to thank the trainers and staff who helped the students in learning and cracking the drive. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, this is Geeta Madhuri from Gudur. I am pursuing my BTech final year in the stream of Triple in Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. So when coming to my family background, my father is a cab driver, my mom is a homemaker. When I talk about my college, when I stepped into my college, I never thought that it would be such a wonderful experience to me. See, most of the students are in a confusion mode. What I want to do when I completed my engineering, whether I go for a job or I want to go for my higher studies. So our college gonna give you a complete clarity about it. It teaches a lot to us. Personally, I learned many things from my college. It gives us strength, confidence, and lot of opportunities to prove yourself as a good student. The support given by the staff was just amazing. Coming to my training section, I recently got placed in a company called DXC Technology. With my skills and support of my college, I got placed. In this pandemic situation, it's not that much easy to get a job or offer letter. College providing us training classes. So please utilize these training classes, learn new things, improve your communication skills to reach your destination. I'm very thankful to my college for supporting me in each and every aspect. All the best guys. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Roshni from Gudur, studying BTech final year in the stream of ECE in Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. When I came to the BTech life, I was totally a stranger because I completed my intermediate and schooling in Chittoor district. And when I came to this college, I don't know what to do. I was totally blank because I am new to that college. And with the help of support of the college management, today I am holding and I have selected in a DXC Technology, which is a good and renowned company with a good package. And students and teachers have a mutual understanding that students are free enough to share their thoughts and ideas, and teachers support their students in not only even in studies but also in all the extracurricular activities. And training is given to all the students equally, and special trainers are also provided, and their teaching skills was so much effective, and it was very easy and simple tricks to crack any aptitude exam. So finally I can say that to design our future, we have to join in Adi Shankara College. And thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu, pursuing 4th year BTech in the stream of ECE from Adi Shankara College of Engineering and Technology. Recently I got selected in the DXC Technology, so today I really want to share you some of my experiences. After completion of my intermediate, like other students, I have a lot of doubts in my mind that what to choose. With my parents' decision, I choose BTech. Entering into the college, I was very nervous and very fearful. After the days passed, with the college support and the environment of the college, that made me strong person. And the English clubs that conducted by our college, that really helpful in improving our communication skills. Along with this, I also acquired the practical knowledge by developing our own circuits and projects. Coming to the training program, trust me, the training program that will really help you. The training people will tell you how to face an interview and also how to qualify in the written test. Along with this, I also got lot of encouragement from my director sir and HOD sir. I really thank both of them. I still remember director sir's word that ఫైనాన్షియల్గా మన పేరెంట్స్ ఎన్నో ఇబ్బందులు పడుతుండొచ్చు, బట్ మనకి ఎటువంటి లోటు లేకుండా చూసుకుంటారు. ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే వాళ్ళు కోరుకునేది ఒకటే, ఒక మంచి సెటిల్మెంట్. సో టుడే ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ దట్ బీ కాన్ఫిడెంట్, బీ ఏ రీజన్ ఫర్ ద స్మైల్ ఆన్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఫేస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.